In this video, we're going to go over how to actually rotate a given image. So I'm going to start with just a rectangle, and I'm being told to rotate this rectangle around the center of rotation at 30 degrees, and then to rotate it again. So for this, I'm going to need my protractor, and I'm going to make sure I place it right on the center of rotation. I'm going to go point by point on this shape. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to start it so that it's at the 0. Because we like to rotate in the counterclockwise direction, I want to make it so that my 0 is here and then it's going to actually go in the counterclockwise direction. Once it's touching the corner, I'm going to zoom in, and I'm just going to put a dot now, or a point, right where I see the 30, at the very end of the 30. So that way it is the same distance from the center of rotation this way as it is this way. So I just have to use my construction tools. I'm going to put a dot there. I'm going to do my dots in purple right at the end. Okay. And now I'm going to do the same thing for the next point. Keep my center of rotation and go to this corner. All right. And then again, I'm going to do to the 30 degrees right up here. Right. Now I'm going to go and do the same thing for the third corner. .30 degrees right there. And then for the last one. Did not mean to do that. And now I have the 4 corners to my shape, so I can connect them. And it has rotated 30 degrees. We can check the lengths to prove that it's still congruent. It is right under 5.5 across. So I'll try that down here to see if it's 5.5 across. See, it's right at the, before that 5.5, just like the other one was. And then we can look at our sides as well. All right, 2. And we'll do the same thing here. And it is still 2. Should be the same over here. And then the same over here. So you could see that the side lengths all stayed the same, so it did maintain congruency. It is just now rotated at a 30-degree angle. But we're not done because it says to rotate it 30 degrees again. So we're going to do the same exact process, but instead of using this black original pre-image, I'm going to treat the purple one as our pre-image. And I'm going to do the same exact steps. This away. This one I will make pink. All right, in the same exact steps, I'm just going to go point by point and go 30 degrees. Undo that. And then last, but certainly not least, this point up here. So I have the original pre-image, I have the first image, and then I have the second image. And that is how we rotate an object.